Hey everybody, it's Dr. Sestar with Palm Beach Cosmetic Surgery. A lot of people recently have asked me the difference between a regular smash facelift or a deep plane facelift. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about the difference. So in order to understand the differences between these two types of facelift, you have to know a little bit about the anatomy. So beneath the skin and the fat of your face is this fibromuscular layer called the SMAS. It stands for superficial musculoaponeurotic system. You excise a strip of SMAS and allows you to pull up the SMAS like this without necessarily undermining it. That's called a SMAS facelift. If you work underneath the SMAS and you release the ligaments that hold the SMAS to the underlying muscles, that's called a deep plane facelift. There are certain reasons why a doctor would choose a normal SMAS facelift or a deep plane facelift. Depends on your anatomy, depends on what your goals are, and it depends on how much sagging or wrinkling you have in what portion of your face. So the real question is, do you need a deep plane facelift, or would you be perfectly satisfied with SMAS facelift? It's important for you to have a discussion with your surgeon, but in general, not everybody needs a deep plane facelift. It's really reserved for people with deep, heavy sagging. Some evidence that the deep plane facelift lasts a little bit longer than the SMAS facelift, and it's technically reserved for people who are older or have more skin damage. But most people who are going through a facelift don't really qualify for needing a deep plane facelift. You have to ask yourself, is it necessary to undergo the more invasive procedure when you would be perfectly satisfied with the less invasive procedure, the SMAS facelift? I reserve my deep plane facelifts for older patients with more sagging and more damage to their skin, and I reserve my SMAS facelifts for younger patients who don't need as dramatic as a skin pull in order to get the results that they're looking for. Bottom line is, there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer when someone asks what type of facelift do I need. It's important for you to sit down, voice your concerns to your surgeon, and have a discussion with him or her in choosing the best facelift option for you.